How iPhone users can use Google Assistant devices to build a smarter home. You don't need to give up your iPhone to enjoy Google's AI-powered smart home ecosystem. Connecting Apple and Google enhances your experience, ensuring seamless home control and automation. Step 1. Setting up Google Home on your device. Even if you've never owned an Android device, Google's smart home ecosystem works perfectly on iOS. Download the Google Home app, sign in, and enable necessary access. Manage devices, automations, and home monitoring from your iPhone using Google Home or Assistant. Step 2. Setting up Google Home on your device. Download the Google Assistant app from the App Store to access voice control and automation directly on your iPhone. Command devices by saying, "Hey Google," or trigger Google commands with Siri using shortcuts. Add widgets to your home screen for quick smart home management, enhancing convenience. Step 3. Setting up Google Home on your device. While HomePod is primarily for Siri, it can coexist with Google Assistant devices. With Matter, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home, enable cross-ecosystem communication, controlling devices via Siri and Google Assistant. Siri can launch Google Assistant actions. Many iPhone users prefer HomePod for audio and Google for automation. Step 4. Setting up Google Home on your device. Use Google Assistant smart displays to view live video from your Google Nest Cam. The modern smart home's best feature is flexibility through cross-platform devices. Smart lights, plugs, thermostats, and locks enhance control across ecosystems. Devices like Philips Hue, Govee, and Nest Cam deliver energy savings and security, enabling a truly flexible smart home experience. Step 5. Setting up Google Home on your device. Hey Siri, good morning. Triggers a shortcut opening Google Assistant, turning on lights, adjusting the thermostat, and displaying weather. Hey Google, I'm leaving. Turns off lights, locks doors, and sends an iPhone alert. Step 6. Setting up Google Home on your device. When using multiple ecosystems, manage privacy carefully. Regularly delete activity data from your Google account. Use guest mode on Google Assistant to enable voice commands without saving your activity. Secure both your Apple ID and Google account with two-factor authentication.
Go to GearBrain for more information.